sir. Ito po yung makita po sa dashboard. Ito pong inventory, summary, best-selling products, sales trends, revenue by category. Ito po sa order management. Makita po yung total orders, pending orders, total revenue. Order ID, customer ID, status, amount, payment. Dito po sa product management, makikita po yung products, e-books, tapos templates, presets, part po. Yan po. Scroll doon pababa. Tapos ito po sa customer management. Makikita po yung total orders, total spend, member sales, plus activity po, contact information, contact details po. Makita po to. Tapos dito na po tayo sa report and analytics. Makita po yung total revenue, average order revenue, order complete, yan po, sales and revenue, product performance, traffic, side and rebound statistics. Tapos ito tayo sa account settings. Yan po, pakita ko sa account settings, change photo, remove, name, first name, last name, email address, phone and phone number. Yes. Or yan po, pakita po yung port, email, port, seller, and tutorials, API documentation, community forum. Yun lang po. Salamat po sir.